this is Priya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make chocolate mug cake in a microwave in just 2 minutes. If you are craving for some chocolate cake but don't want to be bothered about making an entire cake by putting in so much of time and efforts, then this recipe is for you. Now let's get started. To make the mug cake, we need a coffee mug. Any big sized cup will also do. Into this, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You can add Nutella or melted chocolate instead of cocoa powder. Then goes in 1/4 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix them really well. After that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can add melted butter as well. 3 tablespoons of milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, which is optional. If you don't have it, you can skip it. Now I'll gently mix all the ingredients together until there are no lumps. Also, if you like, you can increase the quantity of ingredients and make a couple more cups at once. Be careful not to overmix it. The batter is now ready. I'm adding some milk chocolate chunks into it. Now I'll bake it in a microwave just for 2 minutes. Then I'll show you how it looks. I love to serve it with a scoop of ice cream with some chocolate syrup or Nutella. But you can have it as it is. It will taste great anyway. Just make sure you eat it while it's still hot. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want me to try out any other recipes, then please leave your suggestions in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.